Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. It's Quiara B, and we are doing a Sunday reset. You guys saw some things in the beginning, doing my face, brushing my teeth, putting some clothes on, coming downstairs, opening my windows, and we're about to get started with this Sunday reset. It is Sunday, January 12th, and this is my second episode of my series, Becoming a Better Me, and showing you guys real time implementing stuff to have a better year. So this year, Sunday reset. Now, I usually do it on Saturday, but yesterday I had things to do, so we had to do it today, so that is okay. So first up, well, before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this series of Becoming a Better Me and showing you guys in real time how I do this, follow me, subscribe, tell your family and friends to subscribe, and then also go follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Who knows if TikTok gets taken away? At Quiara B _. I talk about plus size fashion, lifestyle, travel, and everything in between. So if that's something you like, I will welcome you guys to the family. Yeah, so Sunday reset, I have a list of things to do. So let me show you guys the list. I do have a lot to do. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Got a lot to do. So first thing today, we are going to, church starts at 10:30. I've been watching this church from Cincinnati. It's called Light of the World. Really good service. Last week's service is about maturing more in your spirituality this year. It was very key, and just talking about how somebody else's praises God, or how somebody else worships God, or how somebody else talks to God might not be the way that you talk to God, and that you have to find your own way. And I think that was really good. I think if you grew up in the church and you just grew up around the people that are in the church, you get stuck in a mindset of you have to be like this or you have to be like that. And I think it was such a good way of reminding yourself that your relationship with God is your relationship with God, and the path that you take that way is between you and him. So that was really good. First step we're going to do today is we're going to do my vitamins, because I have to start taking my vitamins more. So I have I'm going to put them out and then we'll talk about them. So I'll show you all that. So let's get started, guys. Y'all, I got a wide angle lens and I'm just trying to get used to it. Okay, so you guys see me putting my vitamins in a, hold on. You saw me putting my vitamins in my container. So this will help me with my vitamins. I take these vitamins during lunchtime when I eat. These are my women's pack. I don't know if it's gonna clear. There, these are my women's pack. I take these at nighttime. Where's the ashwagandha? And I take the ashwagandha at night as well. These are eye mojo gummies. I really like these for eye health, and that's what I take. And then I also have a fiber and a probiotic. And then I also take iron, vitamin D, a PMS women's health. This to help with your monthly. I take another prebiotic, and I think that's it, y'all. I'm trying to think. And I take an immunity vitamin to help with the immune system. So I do take vitamins. I'm getting back on that routine, but you just never know. So I suggest if you guys don't have a vitamin routine, look it up. Gummies, This is why I only take one gummy, and this is iMojo. Gummies are really not good for you because it's really sugar. So I'm a person that do not like taking vitamins, but I know the health benefits for it. So that's why I take my vitamins and things like that. So make sure that you know, check it out. If you want recommendations, I can link down what I take down below. But yeah, I take vitamins, and I think it's important for you. So like I said, this is my Sunday reset. I'm going to keep this okay, I'll put everything in here. I'm going to put it on the side of my kitchen thing right there so that I can remember to take my stuff in the morning. So that's what I'm gonna do. Next, I'm gonna wear this because I have to do my hair today, and that's later on in the vlog. I'm about to clean this kitchen, cook me some breakfast, and I have 30 minutes before church service starts. So let me start that, and then we can really start after church is done. Church probably be done about 11:30ish, 12ish. So then we can really start. It's probably gonna take me about 2 hours to clean every place in this house. And then after that, let me look at the thing. After I clean the kitchen, dining room, living room, bedroom, bathroom, office, bathroom. Already did my vitamins, yay. I'm about to go watch church, that's fine. After I do that, it's gonna take 2 hours, and then I can, while I'm doing that, I can start washing clothes and stuff like that. So we do have a little bit to do, but I'm really about to cook me some breakfast so that I can be ready to eat before church starts. Hey guys, we are now in my room, cleaning my room up. It's been a couple hours. I watched church, which I didn't record. I ate, cleaned up downstairs. I came up here to lay down because my back hurts. But Sunday reset is still on, so we're still about to clean up. We got some stuff in here. It's really not that bad. It's just I need to take those sheets off, make my bed up, hang up some clothes, fold those clothes up, put those clothes up that I got, and everything like that, and then clean my bathroom as well. But my office, on the other hand, we got some work to do over there. So let's start cleaning up in here, and hopefully we can get done this in about 30 minutes so that I can do my office. Because after I clean up in here, in my bathroom, and then my office, in my bathroom, in my office, which is horrible too, then we need to start folding clothes and stuff like that. Okay, had to pause my girl Camille. Go follow her. I'll link her channel down below. But love Camille, went to college with her. I found these cute pants from Quiara. You know, they always have it in sale. I think I paid $15 for these. You already know, for the beach. Super cute. They have a white skirt, like a cream skirt like this, and I really want it, but it's still not on sale yet. So I'm really trying to wait. But this was $15, so I had to get this. Okay, back to my regular schedule program. Okay guys, we are in my, let's move you back. Hey loves, we're in my office. Don't judge my office, okay? It's a lot going on in the office. We're about to get it together. Stick with me. I'm tired, but it's like 2:47. I want to be done by 4 o'clock. If I'm done by 4 o'clock, then I can start folding clothes. I might not get to my hair today, which is okay, it's fine. But I do want to get to folding clothes and stuff like that. Like, that's kind of #1 on my list. It's folding my clothes. Like, I can do my hair tomorrow. Why is this so dark? Okay guys, I'm about to show y'all my bathroom. Don't judge me, this is my hair bathroom, so it just got a lot of hair products on it, okay? No judging. Okay. This is the hair bathroom. Not a much to clean up because everything goes underneath the sink, but yeah, we got to clean this up and we are done with the cleaning for today. So let me get started with this. Okay guys, I'm ending my Sunday reset video, but I totally forgot to add this part into filming it on Sunday because I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So I came here the next day to show you guys what I do to plan my week. So I do plan my week with a planner, and I do have this planner, and it is by Yvette Santos. I actually found her on TikTok. I will link it down below, but this is a great planner. It has yearly, monthly, weekly, and daily. And the reason I picked this planner, I like to write things out. I will show you what I use on my phone too, but I like to write things out because I'll just show you one of these ways. It has time breakouts. I don't know, hold on. Time breakouts for each day, and that's how I plan my time. When I read the 12-week year, they talk to you about scheduling and breaking out your days in that way. So I write it down, but I also put it in my phone, and I use the app Structured. Now you're not gonna see anything today because you're just not gonna see nothing today, but Structure also lets you plan out your day, and then it'll pop up on the screen so that you can time block your calendar. And I feel like time blocking, especially if you work and do business and content on the side, time blocking is going to help. So I do use Structured as well. This is something that's great. It lets you also rearrange it. I actually don't pay for it. It's only, I think, $14.99 a year, but I haven't paid for it, and I think I like the free version right now. If I feel like I did use it for about 60 days, 45 days at the end of 2023, in 2024. So I really did use it a lot. It really helped me plan my days, helped me plan my work days and things of that nature. Didn't use it on Saturday and Sunday because I usually don't plan those days out like that. But for the work week, it really helped. So at the end of my Sunday resets with cleaning, getting my house prepared, planning my week is what I do. So one of the things I do to plan my week is I make a list of everything I need to get done that week, and then I start delegating which days need to go which. So I will give you an example. This week I had 2 meetings outside of work that I had to do. I'm going out of town on Friday. I need to pack to go out of town. I needed to do my hair because I did not do it on Sunday reset day. What else did I have to do? Those are things I had to do. I had to take back stuff. So what I usually do is write out everything I need to do, and then I start giving them days that I'm going to do them, and then that's how I plan my days after I get off of work. If you want a more in-depth on how I use my planner or how I use Structure and stuff like that, let me know. We can have a more in-depth talk about how I plan and how I time block, because when I say that has helped me stay on task for my businesses and just after work and things like that, it has helped me stay on track. And somebody that has undiagnosed ADHD, but I just feel like I can't never stay on track, it has helped me. So try it out. Let me know how you guys like the Sunday reset. I do have a lot of other things coming for you, like my 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. routine before my work. I have my 5 to 9 routine after work. I have some other things coming for you. A Pinterest lookbook of how I recreate styles on Pinterest. So let me know if you guys like this video, if you guys want to see more. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Quiara B_. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And until next time, loves, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.